Forget the crowded beaches. Today I'm taking you to secret spot in Samui that most tourists miss. Welcome to Hilat Waterfall. The journey here is just as beautiful as the destination. It's an easy hike through the lush jungle. Perfect if you love nature and a bit of fresh air. It's the perfect temperature to cool off. It's quiet, peaceful, and honestly one of my favorite places on the Iceland to recharge. If you planning your Samui trip, save this video and don't forget to follow for more Iceland secret. See you in the next one.